What is VEDA and why should we do it? That's what we talk about today. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now this year I'm going to be attempting VEDA for my channel. This is the very first time that I've done vlog every day in April for this channel, but it's not the first time I've done a VEDA challenge. Now before I deep dive into what VEDA is and why you should do it, I want to know, have you done VEDA before? Will you be doing VEDA this year? Have you got plans for VEDA? Are you planning on vlogging every day or every other day, or are you just attempting to put out more content in April or August or whatever month you're trying it? Please leave a comment down below. Okay, so VEDA stands for Vlog Every Day in April. Now, it can also mean vlog every day in August, but generally the idea is to put out a video every day in a set month. Why April or August? I honestly don't know why it was initially called VEDA. I guess VEDA is a better name than VEDUM or VED. It just sounds sweeter, I guess. But there's nothing stopping you taking this challenge and pushing it into, say, May or July or December. I mean, December's kind of vlogmas, but bear with me. The idea is to put out a video daily. And there's many reasons behind that, and I'll deep dive into that very, very shortly. But at the end of the day, if you want to do VEDA in July, then go for it. So why should you do VEDA? Okay, so one, it's a good way to put out regular content. Regular content is a great way to bring people back in that happens to have lapsed or are subscribers that haven't seen you in a while. That's because if you put out one video a week, that's 4 videos in a month. 4 videos is slightly smaller of a target than 30 videos that might drag more people into your net. 2, it adds 30 videos to your channel amazingly quickly. So if you're a brand new channel and you're worried, like, where's all this traffic coming from? I don't have old videos. Why are people getting traffic from their old videos? I've only just started, so this is my month 1. I've put up 4 videos. Oh, why am I growing so slowly? 30 videos is immediately a back catalogue. So you can immediately pump out 30 videos that are helpful, and then you've got your own old videos. Which 3 fills out playlists. Now, if you wanted to start a load of playlists which will help you in the YouTube algorithm, pumping out 30 videos and then splitting each of those videos into 5 or 6 videos in a playlist, you've immediately got 5 or 6 playlists for you to add to your channel over the course of the month. That's only ever going to be helpful for you. 4, it will teach you how to bulk record. And bulk recording, tell you what, helps me no end. I put out 4 videos-ish a week on this channel, whether they happen to be 2 live streams and 2 videos, or at certain times over the course of this year, I may have to do 3 or 4 videos that aren't live streams in a week. I also have another channel that puts out 3 videos a week. So immediately I'm putting out 7 videos in 1 week. Right? So I have to bulk record. But if you put out 1 video a week or 2 videos a week and you learn how to bulk record, you could bulk record your videos on, say, April 1st and you're covered for the entire month, or at least a couple of weeks in. Or if you're bulk recording in your normal schedule of 1 a week, 2 a week, then you could record, say, 4 or 8 videos on the first weekend of the month, and then you've learnt that's your entire month free to just promote or to chill. So learning to bulk record via VEDA really helps you learn that skill. Which kind of links into 5, learning. Now, VEDA forces you to learn. It forces you to learn how to crank out videos. It forces you to learn how to edit quicker. It forces you to understand how to do your lighting. Also, it gives you 30 videos of immediate experience. So if you've never made a video before on day 1, by day 30, you've already made 30 videos in your life, which is 30 more videos than some people ever make in their life in their entirety. It's kind of like a crash course in YouTubing if you're trying to do 30 videos in 1 month. It can be hard, but it can also be a very rewarding learning curve if you reach the top. 6, be part of a community. Now, I started this channel in VEDA in August last year, and I was able to publish my VEDA videos to like groups and Facebook pages and stuff like that for other people that are trying VEDA, and there's already an inbuilt community of people that are doing VEDA. You can kind of help each other, lean on each other, take tips, maybe steal video ideas from each other if you're struggling for ideas and content plans. But it's a great way to grab your first few subscribers or grow your subscriber base because you're doing this challenge together. And a quick note, tip number 7. If you don't make all 30 videos in the month, it's not the end of the world. Don't chastise yourself. Don't kick yourself in the balls over it. You've done well, you've tried, you've done more than you've ever done before. Learn from that experience. Maybe try again next year, or, there's always August, or you can try again in July. Once again, it doesn't have to be VEDA, you can make up your own title. So that is what VEDA is, why to do VEDA, and me announcing that I'm going to be attempting it this year. If you want to see all of my VEDA videos, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss them. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted to every one, rather than them, languishing on a phone somewhere. If you want more tricks and tips, there's a PDF up here in the description down below. Go out there, start creating.